Hello my beauties! So as you may or may not know, we all naturally have different color lips. Why is that? Your lips are actually kind of indication of your health status. So by determining the color of your lips, it kind of gives you an indication of what's happening inside of your body, which means then you can know what to do and what to eat to help correct that problem. So I've talked a lot about lip products and what color lipsticks and even treating dry lips, but today I want to share with you how your lips can tell you about your health. They say your eyes are the windows to your soul. Did you know your mouth is the door to your health? So, we've covered dry, chapped lips, often signs of dehydration, and can also be indication of allergies, and some studies say signs of diabetes. But what about natural color of your lips? What do they tell us about our bodies? I mentioned to you before that the natural color of my lips change every now and then. It is mostly because it reflects the stage of my health at that point in time. So today I'm going to share with you some of the common health concerns relating to the color of your lips. Number 1. If your lips are pale, white, ashy gray, you often see that in movies where people are in hospital bed and their lips are dry and pale and most of the times they're weak and fragile. This usually means that you're anemic and your body needs more blood. So you need to up your intake in foods with iron like broccoli, red meats, and red dates. Another indication that goes along with pale lips is when you have cold hands and feet, and even when it's not in winter. This usually links with your digestive system and your stomach might be too cold, so you need to warm up your stomach with young foods. Number 2. When you have super red lips, and I don't mean like classic Chanel lipstick red, a lot of the times it links with bad breath and cravings for snacking. This usually indicates that your body is overheated and your liver and spleen is working overtime. So in this case, drink some chrysanthemum tea and opt for vegetables like bitter melon and celery. Honey is also great for balancing the inside, but remember the important thing is to try and sleep early before 11 p.m. and don't stress. Number 3. When you have purple green lips, it's pretty common during cold winter days, but when you constantly have it, then we might have a problem. This usually means that there is some sort of problem with your heart and or your respiratory system. In these cases, I suggest you go see a doctor to seek some professional advice. Number 4. When your lips are dark red leaning towards black, this is linked to your digestive system. I would suggest to go easy on processed foods and try and eat things that your stomach can process, like congee, sweet potato, tofu. You can also add a little bit of lemon to your water to help cleanse out any unwanted toxins and kickstart your metabolism. Lastly is if you have a dark line around your lips, almost like a natural lip liner, but the color is usually purplish black. This is an indication of an imbalance of yin and yang in your body. So you might be both up fire and cold at the same time. I know that sounds super strange, but it can happen. It has happened to me before. The best way I found is to make sure that you rest and eat well. Avoid yin foods during your menstrual cycle and avoid eating spicy processed food for a while. If your lips are naturally rosy pink, then you are perfectly healthy, so just keep it up. Sometimes you're just born with it, so just embrace it and rock it like you own it.